¿Qué pasa, YouTubers? How you doing today? Today we talk about I lost my keys to my car, man. And you're like, oh shit, Holmes. This not good, man. How am I gonna start my car? And you're like, orale, man. Well, let me tell you something, man. I got a real good way to get you your new keys, eh? Let's talk about it. Yeah, that's right. So you lost your keys on your Geo Tracker, and you're like, damn, what am I gonna do? Buy a new ignition? Throw the car in the trash? I don't know. I get these questions all the time, see them on Facebook. Super easy to fix. You're gonna get to the passenger door. This key tumbler has the lock code that you need. You can take that lock code to your local locksmith, snatch up a fresh key, and you're firing her up. So that's all you need to do. In a previous video, ooh, there goes Tommy. Look at him, Tomcat. Highway 83, Tomcat. In a previous video, I show you how to remove the door panel to get to the window regulator. It's the same process. You're going to remove your window crank handle, your door handle, and the armrest pull handle, and then pop out all the door panel clips. That's going to access to the back side of the door handle. You're going to roll up your window. Then you're going to have your door handle from the inside. There's going to be two 10mm nuts and one clip, metal clip holding the rod on. You're going to pop that clip off, and you're going to pop off the rod that goes onto here. This just snaps open. This has a threaded adjustment like I show in the other video. So now you're going to pop the door handle out that way. Now you're going to have your tumbler sitting right here. So there's just this metal clip that holds it in. You're going to get a flathead. Pry off that tumbler locking clip. Put that to the side because you're going to need it. Punch out the tumbler. Now you've got your tumbler only on the passenger side. Again, this is going to have these numbered codes. I don't know if you can see it in the video. You're going to take this to your local locksmith and say, hey, man, check it out. I need a key cut. And they're going to be like, you got keys? And you can get these key blanks, Home Depot, Ace Hardware, any hardware store really. Sometimes I hear people cannot buy these. They can't get them. Your locksmith should have them as well. But we have these for sale on our website if you need the key blanks and you can't find any. But they're only a couple bucks at your hardware store. Usually $3 or so. If you can't find them, we have them on the website, highway83suzukisalvage.com. You're gonna take these two, take them to your locksmith, and he'll be able to produce a freshly cut key, which will lock everything unless someone swapped out your ignition or the door locks. Then things are gonna get chaotic. But otherwise, you're gonna have a fresh cut key, pepper in there. You're taking off like a bat out of hell, having a time of your life. Your new Geo Tracker, Suzuki Sidekick, Suzuki Samurai. Samurai will be a little bit different with the door panel, but same technique, different key blank. But that's all there is to it. You don't need to buy a new ignition. You don't need to freak out. Piece of cake, you know what I'm saying? So that's a nice, short, simple, sweet video we got for you. Thank you guys so much for following the YouTube channel. I'm getting a lot of positive feedback, and we're loving it. We're loving it over here. So Miller time for everybody. Hope everyone had a Merry Christmas, and let's have a Happy New Year, guys, with a cheers, guys.